if you should need to route one sensor or SenSpot from one gateway to another gateway, you'll need to perform an error update command. To do this, go up to Device and Error Update and select the SenSpot tab. With the SenSpot selected in the back sensor list in the main window, it should populate this error update window with the appropriate routing parameters in each of these fields. The main field that you should adjust is the site ID here. If you want to move, for example, a SenSpot from a Cinemax with site ID 0920 to 0921, adjust this parameter here, check the box to actually apply this command, and just hit apply. Once the command goes from yellow to green, it means that the command was executed and acknowledged by the SenSpot, and now the device should be sending its data to site 0921.